All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Apple. The market surged like 7.25% in the last 5 days. Congratulations to you who bought the bottom over the last 5 days, because you're now up at least 7.25. So now we're going to talk about Apple. It definitely looks as if Apple's going to try to attempt all-time highs again. I'm going to show you the reason why I'm saying that. But before I break down what I'm looking at on the chart, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me, because I'm here to give you a different advantage. Give us an advantage, shall I say, amongst everyone else that's participating in these stocks. So as of now, we did a price prediction in Apple, right here on the 31st of January, 2025. I was telling you all then I was looking for the market and Apple to go down, and did just that. The market did not hold, however, this pocket of buying here, so we could get rid of that. And it kind of held this other pocket of buying, but it did dip, cracked below it. And that pocket was actually right here. This is where those buyers were. Okay, that's where they decided to buy Apple. Cool, no problem. But that was a target that we had on our chart though. Okay, so if you was able to grab some of that profit out the market in Apple, kudos, because that was around 3.75%. The market ultimately was not that weak. It did not come down to this other pocket of buying, which is around $221 at the high. It didn't do that. That's one reason why I'm saying that Apple could be attempting to hit these other two sell pockets up here. This sell pocket and then this other sell pocket around 260. We need to start targeting that area now. It looked like those buyers are trying to target those sellers in those pockets. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. If you were not able to get none of that profit when the market was hitting this buy pocket at 225, 227, you'll be down right now at 3.59%. Now, question, we're now trading at a sell pocket. So automatically you need to be thinking, hey, the market could react and go down. Look what happened the last time Apple was hitting that pocket of selling. Look what happened. It went down. So automatically I'm thinking to myself, even though I can see the strength on the chart for Apple, I'm preparing to see price go down so that I won't be pushed or persuaded out of my analysis. We're at this pocket now. So tomorrow, on Monday, on Tuesday, if you see the market and Apple go down, hey, you're like, cool, I expected that to happen. You're not going to get caught off guard. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you though is the price in Apple on different time frames, because we can still see strength on multiple time frames. And if we get consistency on different time frames of either strength or weakness, we understand that the bias is leaning in that direction, because on the daily this stock is bullish. Okay, cool. Here it is on the 2. The market here in Apple is still bullish. These two-day price bars is telling us that story. That 2-day price bar, and then the last one that was just printed. Here's Apple on the 3. Look at the 3D. Boom, look at that. Somebody's telling us what they think the price in Apple's about to do. See, they cannot hide. They cannot hide their true intentions when you look at the price chart. Take away everything else. Take away fundamental analysis. Take away what pundits on social media and mainstream media are saying. Take away Jim Cramer and the things that he has to say at Apple. Take away the people on regular traditional social media platforms and what they're saying about Apple. Pay attention to the chart. That's it. That is where the true news is being displayed. This 3-day price chart is telling us that Apple is bullish. And not only that, look what's been going on. This market has been making lower highs. Boom, again, tells you the story. Here it is on the 4. Boom, tells you the story. Apple on the 5. Look at this 5-day bar. Okay, look at it. Here it is on the week. This is what happened last week. We're getting that signal to do what? It's telling us that price wants to do what? What direction does it want to go? Oh, okay. It wants to go up. Cool. Here it is on the 2 weeks. You can see the longer term, the weekly is giving us the buy. The 2 weeks, we're seeing price close at the high of the bar. The 3 weeks is even more bullish. I don't think you guys understand what I'm saying. When you look at this 3 weekly price bar, okay, once that bar was printed, right? So when I bring this over to the right, okay, you would think, man, Apple definitely looks weak, right? You would be expecting price in Apple to go down. And you're not wrong in that presumption. You are actually correct. We would want to see price in Apple go down, right? But when you see the formation of the next 3 weeks, here it is. Boom. What did the stock do? It came right back up to the high of the prior 3 weeks. That would not happen if Apple was not bullish. That would not happen if the majority of all the orders in Apple were not buying. When you see the market come back and retrace the move prior to, that tells you that those sellers did not impact the buyers one bit. Or if anything, the buyers are more determined. They have more conviction than the people who sold on this 3-weekly price bar, which translates over into, hey, that was a buying opportunity. Yeah, buying opportunity. Here it is on the 5. Here's Apple on the monthly chart. So, I mean, it definitely looks to me like the market is leaning towards Apple going up. The market definitely is leaning towards the buyers right now. So I'll be crazy to not say that, hey, I'm looking for the market in Apple to go down. I'm not. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and anticipate the market in Apple going up. Now, since I said that, acknowledge this though. We can see that this market is hitting the sell pocket. We can see that. So if we see a quick reaction, right? If we see a quick reaction, Apple coming down, boom. Don't be nervous. Don't be scared. That's what they're there to do, is to shake you out of your analysis and your thinking. This is where we will have to reevaluate our situation. Then look at this on the 330. Okay, that one I'll do like that one. And right here, so these pockets right here. If we see price break these pockets, then yes, we'll have to come in and have another conversation. Okay, we will have to have another conversation. Sam, yeah, it looked like those buyers were not as motivated as what we thought they were. So we'll bring the pocket down there. So now, our first target is going to be up here at this next sell pocket, which is between $252 to $253. At the high of that pocket, it will give us 3.5%. And we're going to target the all-time highs in Apple already. Okay, so at the low of that pocket, it's around 6%. At the high, which is at 260, is 6.35 right there. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.